This conference will now be recorded.
So just I will use some yesterday class concept. Yesterday we started with identifier. So what is an identifier? A name itself in the Python program is called as identifier. Maybe it is a variable name, maybe it is a class name, maybe it is a function name. Any name is called as an identifier in the Python. So whatever the rules to declare identifier, identifier should be accepted alphabets, that to A to Z, capital A to capital Z, and it should be accepted digits 0 to 9, any digit should be accepted, and one symbol underscore should be accepted. Dollar is accepted in the Java, Python accepted underscore. And one more main important rule, identifier should not starts with digit. This is the main thing. So yesterday already we have seen some of the identifiers, how to declare identifier, valid, invalid, all those things. So alphabets are accepted, small a to z, capital A to z, 0 to 9 are accepted, underscore symbol is accepted. Identifier should not start with the digit. Suppose if I am given cash equal to 100, yes, valid. If I am given dollar $h equal to 100, invalid. Because dollar symbol is available there. Suppose I'm given 1, 2, 3, total equal to 400. Identifier is started with the digit, not accepted. Suppose if I'm given total 1, 2, 3 equal to 200, pakka it is a valid. And I'm given one underscore symbol, yes, valid. And yesterday I'm given that without any underscore, one identifier, with underscore identifier, with a double underscore identifier, what is the difference? So Java contains access modifiers like public, private, protected. If I'm given a equal to 10 without any, that is called as a public variable. It should be accepted anywhere. Single underscore is called as a protected variable. Double underscore is called as a private variable. It should be accepted within the class. These things in the OOPS concepts I will tell, no problem. Suppose if I declare any variable into capitals completely, what it indicates? It indicates as a constant. In the Python, how to declare a constant? All capitals. Then it is called as a constant. And one more point I am explained. Any method contains before underscore, after underscore. What type of these methods? Remember, this is very important. Magic methods. What methods? Magic methods we are calling. Maximum, this is yesterday we discussed. And one more thing, what is the limit of the identifier? There is no limit. No limit for length of identifier. And that too, what I'm given yesterday, no limit, identifiers, magic methods, constants, public, private, protected variables. Maximum this one yesterday we are completed about our identifiers. And one more thing, suppose if I'm given def equal to 10, it is a invalid. Suppose if I'm given if equal to 20, no, invalid. If I'm given class equal to 30, that is also invalid. Because of what is the reason? These are all the reserved words, keywords. So whatever the reserved words are there, except these reserved words, anything you can use. So how to get that reserved words list? Go to your ideally means Python shell. In the Python shell, one second. Ideally, go to the Python shell. In that, except these reserved words, you can use anything. Import. What is the module name? Keyword is the module name. What is the function? Keyword dot kw list. Keyword dot kw list. I am not using print. Keyword is the module, KW is the function. Now see, this is the values. Every keyword reservoir compulsory started with small letter except only one. That is already we know. Only sorry, three. True, false, and none. This is the story what we completed yesterday concept. One second. This is what we completed in our yesterday task. Okay, now now yes, one more thing we have started, data types. What we started, data types. So what is the meaning of data type? Means what type of data we are storing, that is we are declaring, that is called as a data type. So at the data types, basically two types are there. Already we discussed yesterday completely. Static data types. Static data type means, being a programmer, starting itself explicitly we decided what type of data I am storing, like int a should be accepted only integers, float f should be accepted only float values. That is called as a static data types. So a programming language which is accepted these static data types, those are called as a statically typed programming languages. So what data types are available there? Java, C, C++, Selenium, .NET, all are static programming languages only. And the second category, dynamic data types. So dynamic data type is nothing but at the time of runtime, data will be decided. If I'm given A, what is the type of A? We don't know. Suppose if I'm given 10, yes, the age is integer. If I'm given 10.2, float. If I'm given same thing into double quotes. So runtime data types will be decided. That is called as a dynamic data type. A programming language which is accepted these dynamic data types, those are called as dynamically typed programming languages. So now whatever the languages are available, Python and JavaScript, these are called as a dynamically data types. Again, at the time of these, two types are there. Fundamental data types and the second one, collection data types. So what is a fundamental and what is the collection data types? Fundamental data types means we need to accept single values, then I can go for these fundamental data types. If I want to go to the multiple values into single entity, then I can go for collection data types. So fundamental data types, again 5 categories are there: integer, float, bool, str, complex. These 5 are fundamental. Collection data types are bytes, byte array, list, tuple, range, set, frozen set, date, none. These are called as a collection data types are there. Now done. Up to here also, just we discussed yesterday. Now first one, integer data type. We are unable to see the screen here. Now is it okay? You're unable to see the screen here. Sorry, our desktop stuck. Sorry. Stuff struck has been struck, I think. So we are unable to see this thing. I can't see anything that you are right now. I will see your results. Okay, fine. Now it is okay. Okay, fine. So now this is the data types story. Just we introduction part about the yesterday's topic. Now, first data type we can discuss about int data type. So generally int means everyone is telling if I'm given a equal to 10, okay, that is the integer. If I'm given b equal to 20, that is the integer. Okay, fine. That is also I can accept it. Observe, I can give a equal to 10. So what is the type? Type is the one predefined function a. I'm asking what is the type of a, and which type of value I'm storing in the a. I'm asking to the Python. Now Python is telling int. So why it is telling as a class int? What is the reason? Just it will give integer, then I can understand. But what is the class int means? Observe here. So in the Python, everything is one object. Everything is one object only. So first of all, what is an object? So present we don't have any oops concept, so we don't know. So generally, what is an object? Object means which is physically available, that is called as one object. Maybe the object is a pen or one notebook or laptop, water bottle, anything which is physically available, that is called as one object. Sir, if object is available means compulsory class should be available. Without class, no chance of existing object. I will tell this one also later on. Okay, if you have the Java knowledge, maximum those guys know about this. If you don't anything, no problem. In the oops concept, first I will tell this one. What is an object? What is a class? Without class, no chance of an object. Example, sir, suppose I want to construct a building. Building is an object. If you want to construct building, plan is required. That plan is nothing but a one class. So without plan, no building, no construction. Not only building anything, if you want to go to construct one TV, one blueprint is required. That blueprint is nothing but a class. That's why I'm telling, without class there is no chance of existing one object. That is the reason, sir, what it is int class. Why they are given? Because of, yes, integer is a one class. In Python everything is object. Sir, here I am given as a equal to 10. What is the meaning? Means here with the 10 one object will be created. Yes, internally how it is storing, observe carefully. 10 is an object will be created. So what is a? A is pointing to that object. Observe carefully. Internally, generally function equal to 10, a value 10. Okay, fine. Internally, 10 is a one object. In Python, everything is one object only. That these things later on very important. Okay, remember, 10 is a one object. A is pointing to my object. So that is the reason a is called as a one reference variable. 10 is a one object. That is the reason why this class. So many guys are telling, sir, why class integer coming means that is the one type of class like that. Because of in Python, each and everything is one object only. Whenever object is available, compulsory class should be available. Without class, no chance of existing any object. So here, what is the 10? 10 is one object. What is the a? A is one reference variable. Just now yesterday discussed variable name. Yes, that is I am telling. Variable, which is pointing to my object. That is the reason integer is a one class type. Now fine. So everyone telling normally not like this much story they never tell. Okay, just they are given a equal to 10, enough that is integer only. But everything one object, that's why integer is a one class type. Okay, fine. But see here, integer also can be declared in multiple ways. We can represent int values into the multiple ways. What is that? Decimal format. So remember, these are not Python. In your childhood, our mathematics. Our number system is there. Decimal, binaries, and octal numbers. And one more is there. Hexadecimal format. It is not related to Python. Don't tell. If I'm asking answers, sir, we are new to this Python like that. Don't tell those type of answers. Okay. Because of this is our mathematics only. Decimals, binaries, octal, hexadecimals. It is not at all related to your Python. Now tell decimal numbers. Sir, what is the decimal numbers? Decimal numbers means what is the base? Do you know all these things in your childhood, maybe 10th or intermediate mathematics? Decimal value base 10. Yes or no? It is the by default number system decimals. It is the base 10. Whatever the digits should be accepted, the digits are accepted 0 to 9. Anything can be accepted decimals. So, and do you know binary? Observe, decimal is nothing but just now I am given you a equal to 10. That is called as a decimal. Sir, what is the binary? Binaries. Binaries are accepted. Sir, suppose if I am storing, yes, only zeros and ones. If I am given a equal to 1010, sir, what is the value of a? The value of a. Yo, no responding. 1010 means yes, Deepthi 10. Mohan 1010. Is it a 10 or 1010? Deepthi, suppose I want to store 1010. How can I store? I want to store 1010. Can I store like this or not? See, what is the value of a? 1010 only, not 10. Even the 1 zeros are available, it is not binary. We have to specify binary to the Python. So how to declare a binary number? That is the main thing. Observe here. Now go to here. Binary means what is the base? Base 2. So what are the valid digits? Either 0 or 1 only. How to represent this binary number? We need to prefix with 0b. Sorry, not word 0 small b. Now see, Dipti, whatever you are telling that answer, a equal to 0b1010. Now pakka it is a binary number will be treated. So now what is the value of a? Sir, 1010 is a binary number. Sir, binary to decimal, how to convert it? In your mathematics, it is available 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. Like that, we need to multiply. 10 will come. Can I explain this or no? First 2 power 0, next 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means 8 plus 2 power 1, 2, 10. What is the value of a? 10 available. Yes or no? Sir, everyone please respond. Do you know all these things? Binary numbers, decimals, octal, mathematics, yes. Okay, done. Yeah, fine. So 1010, I want to treat it as a binary means compulsory you can prefix with 0b. Then only it is a binary. Otherwise, it will be taken as a by default every number decimal. Even though 1010s are available, it is a decimal number only. Whenever you can prefix with 0b, now my Python will be considered as a binary number. So now tell, is it a valid? Yes or no? No. BT, no. No. Maximum answers are coming no. 1% yes, yes, no. Okay, done. Sir, it is the correct only. Either you can use small b or capital B, no problem. Okay, you can give 0b or 0b. Everything is valid. No issues. Okay, no problem. Valid only. Okay, now. Now, if I'm given like this, a equal to 0b 1 2 3, valid or invalid? Yes, invalid because of binary means compulsory your number should be ones and zeros only. That's why I'm getting as a error. So that is the second format. 0b123 invalid. So that is the binary number. So octal number. Octal means what is the base? Base 8. What are the valid digits should be accepted? Please respond. Octal. Yes. Octal means 0 to 7 or 8. 0 to 7. Yes. Prefix with what I want to give. 0 is common. Next I want to prefix with O. C here. How C? Octal, what is the first letter? O, not C. Okay. Yes. So O. Or you can give 0 capital O also. Anything is accepted. Okay. Now observe here. Go to the Python. A equal to 0 O 1 10. Valid? Valid. Pakka valid. Sir, what is the value of A? Anyone tell what is the value of A? What value will be stored in the A? That is the important. Is it stored 10? Please, anyone tell the correct answer? Yes. One. Oh, Deepti, why 7? What is the base? Octal means base 8, 83. Mo. 8, not 83. Riti. Why 83? 0 means first 8 power 0. Next 8 power 1. So 8 power 1 means 8. 8 is the answer. Not 83. See. Because previously observed, sir, in this situation, binary number to decimal means 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, like that. 2 here. Octal means base 8. We can go with the 8. If you have any doubts, please respond. 00786. Is it valid? Yes, sir. Deepti. No. Because of only 0 to 7 only. But I'm given 0786. Okay. Now equal to 0 10. Valid. Invalid. Sir, everyone please respond clear, or if you have any doubts, please respond. Yeah. Some guys are they are given very fast response. Clear? After the session, sir, we are getting confusion. everything is blah 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 like that. Don't tell. If you have any doubts, now itself only you can tell. Okay. Now okay, done. Hexadecimal. Sir, what is the hexadecimal? Base. Sorry. Base 16. Yes. What are the accepted? 0 to. Excellent, Deepthi. 0 to 15. 0 to. Yes. Not 15, Deepthi. 0 to 9. After that, A to F. Yes, hexadecimal means not up to 0 to 15. Okay. 0 to 9. Next after that, 10 means A. 11 means B. Like that, A to F it should be accepted. Okay. Now, prefix with H. Very good. 0 with H. Wrong. 0 with X. Oh, hexadecimal H starting, so that's a H. No. X. 0X. 0 capital X. Okay. Done. Now, check that which is valid, which is invalid. Sir, I am given A equal to 0x of face. Is it valid? Hmm. 0x face. Yes, sir. Yes. Valid. Now I am given A equal to, observe now, 0 capital X, sorry, capital B, E, F. Beef. Valid. Chaitanya, no. Vishnuvardhan, valid. Mani Sai, no. Valid, yes. Valid, invalid. Okay. Some guys are telling valid, some guys are invalid. Sir, here 0x is hexadecimal. What I'm telling, A to F, 0 to 9. So B, E, F, it is pakka valid because of it is the available in A to F, na. See, those 4 letters either capital, small, no problem. The range should be A to F or not. Who are telling invalid? Those guys, please respond. The values are A to F. In that, values are available there. That's why it is valid. Okay. Yes. So now this one, 0x beer. Because of beer. Yes, sir. Not because of beer, because of R. Yes, sir. Because only A to F should be accepted. R is invalid character. That's why it is a invalid. Yes, fine. Sir, like that, this is the 4 ways are available there. 0x valid. Next, 0 capital X, small capital, no issues, valid. 0 X beer, invalid. So this is the 4 ways are available. So everyone telling int means just they are simply telling A equal to 10, B equal to 20, enough, that is only integer type. No, sir. In integer, these many ways are there, remember. General, everyone telling first example, A equal to 10, enough. That is integer only, completed. Next, they will go to the float data type. No, integer 4 ways are there. Those 4 ways are, those are, one is decimal, second one is binary, third one is octal, fourth one is hexadecimals. Okay, sir, I copied here audio. Okay, audio please. Sir, can you hear me, everyone? Yeah, okay, fine. Sir, meanwhile, before sharing material, whatever the notes I'm typing, I'm sharing in the chat panel. You can copy paste. Okay, whatever the topic I'm telling, see in the chat panel I am given. Okay, present for the running notes, you can take this one. I will give the material also. Okay, so now fine. So now I will store 4 values. You can tell what are the values are available there here. I am storing all the 4 values. Observe here. I am storing A equal to 10, B equal to 0, B 10, C equal to 0, O 10, D equal to 0, X of 10. Sir, what is the value of A? Yes. What is the value of B? B value. Carefully tell. Yes, because it is a binary number. Binary 10 means 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2. Value of C. Very good. Value of D. What is the value of the D? A na, oi. Why A? 0x of 10 decimal to hexadecimal means 9. Ayyo. Sir, how you are telling 0 be 10 means 2, 8. Same like that. Hexadecimal means yes, 16 is the correct answer. 16 power 0, 6, not F15. See, in the binary means you are taking 2 power 0, 2 power 1. Octal means 8 power 0, 8 power 1. Hexa means 16 power 0, 16 power 1. 16 is the correct answer. No A, no F, no nothing. 16. How you are telling binary 2? You are taking first digit 2 power 0, 2 power 1. Here 8 power 0, 8 power 1. But here also same 16 power 0, 16 power 1. 16 is the correct answer. Clear? Yes. So now, yeah, fine. Now, sir, I will give some decimal numbers. Do you know in our childhood, sir, 10. 10 is a binary in a decimal. 10 is a decimal or binary? Both. I will give left and right. If you are telling both means decimal only. If I am given 0 be 10, then only you can tell answer binary. Okay. Whenever if I am asking like this, now you can tell happily it is a binary. Otherwise, it should be decimal value only. So now you can tell convert this decimal into the binary number. What is the equivalent binary number? Anyone tell? I am asking convert 10 to binary. What is the number? Yes. How you are converted? 0 be 1010. How it is coming? In your childhood, some mathematics are available there. Like this, you can take 10. Now I want to, sir, these calculations. Do you know? Divide with 2. First, 5 2s are 10. Remainder 0. Again divide with 2. Okay. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. Again go with 2. 1 2s are 2. 0. So now I am taking the answer 1010 prefix with 0b, like that. Do you remember these calculations? No, no. So don't tell I am new to the Python. Okay. So this is the new programming language for me. Python is the new. I am coming from so and so background. Don't tell. This is the number system. I am given 10. Convert into binary. You can divide with 2 each time, and finally you can calculate your reminders 1010 like that. Yes or no? Respond. Do you know these calculations or not? Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear.
Yeah, okay, fine. Sir, so these type of calculations are not required for the execution. So 10 means happily you can tell 0B 1010. Fine. Sir, convert 10 to the octal number. Now tell the answer. 10 to octal. 0 pakka. What is the answer? Octal. Sorry. 8. Wrong. Please tell anyone correct answer. I am asking decimal to octal. Don't confuse. Deepthi, if it is octal to decimal, then your answer is correct. I am given 10. 10 is a decimal. Decimal to octal, I am asking. What is the output? Yes, correct, Anusha. Yes. Deepthi, divide 10 with 8. Previously, binary means I divided with 2. Now divide with 8. I am divided with 8 means 1. Remainder 2. 1, 2 is the correct answer. 0, 1, 2. Getting it? Because first of all, 10 I am given. Binary I am asking. Divided with 2. 1, 0, 1, 0. Prefix with 0B. Next 10 I am given. Asking to the octal. Convert to the octal. Now 20. Convert to hexadecimal. Hexadecimal. Hexadecimal means 0x pakka. What is the answer? Yes. Because divided with 16. If I am dividing with 16, 116 or 16, 4 is the remainder. So 1 4 is the answer. Yes. So like that, whatever the number I am given, okay, mathematics decimal to the binary, binary to the decimals, and decimal to octal, any type is possible. We know already those things. Suppose if I am asking 0B 1010, what is the equivalent binary decimal number? What is the equivalent binary in decimal? Yes, 10. Very good. Because of how you are telling this one 10, already here I am given. 10 means 0B 1010. Again I am asking reverse question. So automatically you know. Yes or no? Sorry, now observe carefully. Why I am telling this story means, sir, there is a, in the Python, we don't want to calculate manually. Everything built-in functions are there. Base conversions. That's why I'm telling. So in our childhood, in the mathematics, the SARs are telling us, I'm given decimal number, convert into binary. Seriously, we are divided with the 2 and we are telling the answers and all those things. Those nonsense are not required. So Python provides some built-in functions for base conversions. What is the first function? Bin. Name itself indicating. What is the meaning of the bin? Name itself indicating any type 2 binary. Yes. Up to now you are taking the pen and paper calculations are not required, those nonsense. Sir, what is the function? Bin 10. Bin of 10. Sir, 10 is a decimal. I am asking to the Python, convert this decimal into binary. So no need to calculate. Automatically it will give the answer. 0B1010. Any number you can give. Decimal you can give. Octal you can give anything. So bin of 10 means 0B1010. So now you can tell this answer 0O of 10. Anyone please tell. Don't execute in your machines. Manually you can tell this. If you are executing telling the answers, no use of that one. Think with this. Tell. Wait. Ayyo. That is I am telling Naresh Mohan. What is the answer I am asking? Bin means binary. Binary means am I getting any 8 or 1 zeros, 1 zeros? Remember the question. Carefully see that one. Yes, correct, Anusha. Because, sir, first it is a octal number. Convert into decimal. Decimal means 8. I am asking binary. Again, 8 to convert into the binary. 0B 1000. Anusha is the correct. Sir, Naresh and Mohan, you are telling decimal numbers. Am I asking decimal? Mohan and Naresh. Okay, first of all, you have to convert that one into decimal. But I am using bin function. Bin means pakka it will give zeros and ones only. So again 8 convert into binary. Divide with the 2. First time 0 remainder, next 0, next 0, last one. So 1000. The remaining guys, are you getting it or confusing? Some guys are okay, fine. If you are confusion, okay, no problem. Confusion or clear idea? అర్థం అవుతుందా అందరికి? డౌట్స్ ఉంటే చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. మళ్ళీ అంతా అయిపోయినాక సార్ మాకు అర్థం అవ్వలేదు అనకండి. Can you explain again? Okay, fine. Yeah. Bin. Madam, what is the bin use means? Any number you can give. I can give decimal, or I can give octal, or I can give hexadecimal. Any number convert into the binary. Madam, first time given as a 10. 10 to the binary. You can take pen and paper. 10 divided with 2. What is the output coming? 1010. Binary means compulsory prefix with 0b. In the second question చూడండి, octal number ఇచ్చాను నేను ఇక్కడ. Whenever I give an octal, 0 of 10, ఇదిగోండి ఇక్కడ చూడండి, carefully observe. 0 of 10 అంటే internally what is the value? 8. But 8 is a decimal. Which function I am using? Bin. Again that 8 converted into binary. మీరు 8 ని 2 తో డివైడ్ చేసి వెళ్ళండి. 1000 will come. That is the bin function. Any type to binary it will be converted. Malika, clear? Now, sorry, Malika, now this question for you. You are clear na? Now, ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పండి. Bin of 0x of 10. Malika, respond. What is the answer for this? Remaining also, everyone. Tell the answers. 0x of 10 అంటే అది hexadecimal. ఫస్ట్ దాన్ని యూ హ్యావ్ టు కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ డెసిమల్. తర్వాత మళ్ళీ డెసిమల్ వచ్చినాక 2 తో డివైడ్ చేసి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి. జీరో బి 1000 రాంగ్. అనుష కరెక్ట్. మల్లిక కరెక్ట్. విష్ణువర్ధన్ 0b 1000 is the wrong. Yes, because of, sir, 0x 10 means what is the decimal number? 16 power 0, 16 power 1. So 16 you are getting. 16 divided with 2. 1. Likita 1000 means already you are getting here. So here hexadecimal. So 10000 is the correct answer, because 16 ని డివైడ్ చేయండి మీరు 2 తో. ఫస్ట్ 8 2s are 0, again 4 2s are 0, 2 2s are 0, 1 2s are 0. 16 2 తో డివైడ్ చేయండి, then you will get the answer. Who are telling? Likita and one more person, Vishnuvardhan. Clear? 10000 is the correct answer. Yes. Sir, that is the first function. Which one? Bin function. Any type to binary, it should be converted. Sir, if you have any doubts, no issues, later on you can practice it. Okay, you will get clarity. Still, if you have any doubts, no problem, I will resolve it, no issues. Okay, second function OCD. సింపుల్. ఏముంది, ఏ బేస్ నుంచైనా ఆక్టాల్ కన్వర్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. నౌ Some examples చూద్దాం ఇప్పుడు. OCT is the function. Sir, I am given 10. Okay. 10. What is the output? 8. Oh, Naresh garu. 10 is a decimal, sir. I am asking 2 octal. అరే మళ్ళీ 8. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి జాగ్రత్తగా. 10 అనేది డెసిమల్, నేను ఆక్టాల్లో కడుతున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు 10ని బైన్లో కడితే 2తో డివైడ్ చేసాం. 10ని ఏం చేయాలండి? 8తో డివైడ్ చేయాలి. మీరు ఎంతసేపటికి ఏమనుకుంటారా? 0 1 2 ఇస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. మీరు ఏంటంటే 8/0 8/1 అని తీసుకొని చెప్పేస్తున్నారు నరేష్ అండ్ మోహన్. 10 డివైడ్ విత్ 2, సారీ 8 బేస్ 8 కాబట్టి 1 8 are 8, 2 is the remainder. Naresh and Mohan, see your answer, sir. 10 డివైడ్ విత్ 8 బేస్ 8 కదా, బైనరీ అయితే 2తో డివైడ్ చేశాను. ఇప్పుడు ఆక్టాల్ కాబట్టి మీరు 8తో డివైడ్ చేయాలి. మీరేమనుకుంటున్నారు? 8/0 8/1 8 చెప్పేస్తున్నారు. నో, డివైడ్ విత్ 8, 1 8 are 8, 2 is the remainder, 0 of 12. Naresh, okay. Mohan, clear? ఓకే, డన్. సరే, ఇప్పుడు మోహన్ అండ్ నరేష్ ఇది చెప్పండి జాగ్రత్తగా. ఓసిటీ ఆఫ్ 0B1010 చెప్పండి కరెక్ట్ గా. ఎక్కువ టైం కూడా అవసరం లేదు దీనికి ఆన్సర్ కి. అయ్యో బాబాయ్, ఎస్ ఎస్, సేమ్ ప్రీవియస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఓన్లీ. 0B1010 మీన్స్ 10. మళ్ళీ 10 అంటే జస్ట్ నో ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్. ఎస్, సరే ఇది చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు కరెక్ట్ గా. ఓసిటీ ఆఫ్ 10 హెక్సాడెసిమల్ ఇచ్చాను. ఇప్పుడు వాట్ ఇస్ ద అవుట్పుట్ ఐ విల్ గెట్? ఇది కరెక్ట్ గా చెప్పండి. ఏంది నో ఆన్సర్స్? ఎవరు ఇంకా ఆన్సర్ రాలా? వెరీ గుడ్, డన్. Riti, Anusha, Mallika, fine, correct. Some guys who are having doubts, these are all okay. These are all giving correct answers. Babu garu, Naresh and Mohan and some guys are there. I am expecting answers from you. Who are telling answers correct only. Bunny, fine. Naresh and Mohan, very good. నరేష్, ఏమండి ఏమన్నా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసి చెప్పేస్తున్నారా? మామూలుగా ఆలోచించి చెప్తున్నారు. ఇవన్నీ ఆలోచించి చెప్పితే కరెక్ట్, వెరీ గుడ్, ఐ విల్ అప్రిషియేట్. ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసుకుంటే మీ ఇష్టం, ఏం చేయలేము ఎవరు దానికి. ఓకేనా? ఫస్ట్ 16 డివైడ్ విత్ 8, 2 8 are, ఓకే, 0 is the remainder. So don't execute, think a little bit. Okay, that is octal. OCT function. An example. So what is the third function? Last function, hex. To convert any base to hexadecimals. Okay, now tell. Now carefully tell the answer. Okay, hexadecimal of 10. Everyone telling max to max. Wrong answers I will get. X of 10. Very good. One correct answer. Next. Nice. Next. ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేసా ఈ ఆన్సర్ కోసం. మల్లిక రాంగ్. ఎస్ కరెక్ట్. మల్లిక రాంగ్. మల్లిక ఎస్. రామాంజలి కరెక్ట్. Malika, I'm not asking hexadecimal to decimal. Here decimal to hexadecimal 10 ఇచ్చాను. సో 10 you can divide with 16 అవ్వదు. నేను ఏం చెప్పాను, hexadecimal లో 0 to 9. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ 10 అంటే ఏంటి, ఏ 0x of a మల్లిక, నాట్ 16. అదే నేను hexadecimal ఇచ్చి డెసిమల్ చెప్తే అప్పుడు దట్ ఈస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ 16. హియర్ ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ డెసిమల్ 10. 10 కాన్ డివైడ్ విత్ 16 అవ్వదు. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ ద వాల్యూ 0 to 9. తర్వాత ఏమి ఇచ్చాను నేను, ఏ టు ఎఫ్, ఎక్కడెక్కడో రాసిన చూడండి నోట్స్ లో. హెక్సాడెసిమల్ అంటే ఏమి యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తుంది, అది 0 to 9. తర్వాత ఏ టు ఎఫ్ అంటే 10 అంటే ఏంటి, ఏ, 11 అంటే బి. లైక్ దట్ యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్. ఓకే, ఎస్. హెక్సాడెసిమల్ ఆఫ్ 20. Yes, fine. Fine. Correct. This one everyone knows. Divide with 16. 4 is the remainder. Fine. మరి బైనరీ నెంబర్ ఇస్తాను ఆగండి. హెక్సాడెసిమల్ ఆఫ్ 0B1010. Yes. 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 Correct. A only. Hexadecimal of 0 of 10. 0 or 10. Yes. Yes. Just 8 only. So that is hexadecimal function. So this is the base conversions. Bin any type to binary, octal any type to octal, hexadecimal any type to the hexadecimal. This is the some 3 functions are available there. Base conversion functions. So that is the story about our integer data type. First data type, this is the story. So integer means we can give 4 parts. One is decimals, second one is the binary, third one is the octal, fourth one is the hexadecimals. Base and all those already we know about this. After that, one base to another base we are converted. Bin means any type to the binary, OCT means any type to the octal, hexadecimal to any type to the hexadecimal. First data type is over. Sir, second, float data type. Float means explanation is not required. Just f equal to 1.23. Any floating points I can provided, that is called as a float value. See here. (1.23). Type of f. What is the type of f? Float. So now, if I am given f equal to 1.2 E3, is it a valid? Yes, sir. One person is telling yes. What about remaining? Just 2 options you have, yes or no. Ante edo cheppandi. Yes, 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 done. Nice. What is the type of f? Float. Anyone tell what is the value of the f? What it will store internally? చెప్పండి, ఏముంటుంది వాల్యూ? 1.2. అయ్యో, మరి E3 ఏమైంది? E3 కాకితకలు పోయింది చైతన్య. 1.2 E3 అన్నాను, నువ్వు 1.2 అన్నావు. E3 ఏం చేసావు? దీప్తి, మరి 1200 అన్నావు. ఫ్లోటింగ్ వాల్యూ ఏది అక్కడ? 1200.0. Sir, observe, E3 is nothing but E means 10 to the power of base 3. A large value will be represented to the short format. Then I can go for exponential. So this is also not related to the Python. Okay, E ante 10 power 3. 10 power 3 ante 1000. 1.2 into 1000. 1200.0 is the correct answer. Riti, how you getting 1.728? Correct answer on the no. E means 10 to the power of base 3. A large value will be represented into the short format. I can go for 1.2E3. Sir, is it correct? Capital E. Yes, sir. Oh, in S answer no one better. Malika, no. Very good. It is correct only, Malika. First S no, in S and no. Correct only. Either small E, capital E, no problem. Yes, valid only. Pakka it is a. Okay. So that is the floating values. That is the second data type. This one also explanation not required. More float. Third one. Bool data type. Everyone knows about that. Booleans are nothing but only two values, true and false. రెండే ఉంటాయి, ట్రూ ఫాల్స్ అంతే. దీని గురించి కూడా పెద్ద ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ అవసరం లేదు. A equal to true. Compulsory T should be capital. What is the type of A? Boolean. Suppose A equal to false. What is the type of A? అంతే అండి. బూలియన్ గురించి పెద్ద సారీ explanation అవసరం లేదు. So now true plus true ఏమవుతుంది? What is the output? Yes, true plus true. Naresh, true. Subhash, true. Very good, very good. Sorry, true plus false. ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది? False. Excellent. False. Very nice answers. Sorry, true minus false ఏమైంది? True minus false, true. False. Very nice అండి. మరి false minus false ఏమైంది? False minus false, true. Very good. False, true. False, true. Very good, excellent. And రేపు ఎవరైనా ఇలాంటి అడిగినప్పుడు సేమ్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఇఫ్ యూఆర్ టెల్లింగ్ లైక్ దిస్, హూ ఈజ్ యువర్ ట్రైనర్ అంటే నా పేరు చెప్పకండి దయచేసి మీరు ఎవరు కూడా. అసలు ఎక్కడన్నా ఇన్ యువర్ చైల్డ్హుడ్ ఆర్ ఇన్ యువర్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ హ్యావ్ యూ సీన్ దీస్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్? ట్రూ ప్లస్ ట్రూ, ట్రూ ప్లస్ ఫాల్స్, ట్రూ మైనస్ ఫాల్స్, అసలు ఇలాంటివి ఉన్నాయా? ఏందో. Okay. Some guys are giving correct answers. I know. Who are telling truth, false? That is I am telling. Okay, no problem. Ramanjali and some guys are given. Okay, sir. True and false. False or true. అలాంటివి ఉన్నాయండి. అంతేగాని ట్రూ ప్లస్ ట్రూ, ట్రూ ప్లస్ ఫాల్స్, ట్రూ మైనస్ ఫాల్స్, వీటికి ట్రూ ఫాల్స్ ఆన్సర్లు కాదు. ఓకే. By mistake you are telling those things. Observe. Internally true contains 1, false contains 0. Based on that you can decide your answers. అది ఇంటర్నల్ గా స్టోర్ అయ్యే వాల్యూస్, అంతేగాని ట్రూ ఫాల్స్ కావు అక్కడ. ఓకే, నౌ యూ కెన్ సీ ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ గివెన్ ఫస్ట్ టైం అడిగాను ట్రూ ప్లస్ ట్రూ, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్? ఎస్ ట్రూ మైనస్ ఫాల్స్, జీరోనా? 1 minus 0 1, false minus true. Yes, like that. సో ట్రూ ప్లస్ ఫాల్స్, ట్రూ మైనస్ మైనస్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా ట్రూ అంటే 1, ఫాల్స్ అంటే 0. బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దట్ యూ కెన్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్. సో ట్రూ అంటే ట్రూ, ఫాల్స్ అలా రావండి. అది ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ ఆపరేటర్స్ ట్రూ అండ్ ఫాల్స్, ఫాల్స్, ట్రూ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్, ట్రూ. అలా అండ్ 6 టేబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ప్లస్ మైనస్ లకి ఏంటంటే either 1, 0 or 2, like that you are getting the answers. So okay, that is about the 3 data types finished: integer, float and boolean. ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ 2 ఉన్నాయి, కాంప్లెక్స్ అండ్ str. అది పెద్ద స్టోరీ. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ we will see about that.